So today we will discuss the addressing modes of 8085. So before going to study the addressing modes of 8085, we will know what is an instruction. So instruction is the command given to a computer to perform certain tasks. An instruction can be divided into two parts. One is opcode and another is operand. Opcode means the operation, which operation is to be done, that is the opcode. Opcode means what operation is to be done, and operand means the data on which operation is done. The data on which operation is to be done. So there are various techniques by which the operand of an instruction can be specified, and these techniques are known as addressing modes. So addressing modes are nothing but the various techniques in which the operand in an instruction can be specified. So the addressing modes of 8085 can be divided into 5 types. First one is your immediate addressing mode. Second one is direct addressing mode. Third one is register addressing mode. Fourth one is register indirect addressing mode. And fifth one is implicit type of addressing mode. So we will discuss one by one. The first one is immediate addressing mode. So in case of immediate addressing mode, the operand contains the data. That means the data is directly given in the instruction. So let us take an example, and the example is NVIA 08H. So NVIA 08 means here in this instruction the data 08 is given directly in the instruction, and NVIA 08 means 08 data is given to accumulator. That means if this is accumulator, then it contains the data 08. So here the data is directly given in the instruction. Then we will go to the direct addressing mode. So in case of direct addressing mode, the instruction contains the address of the operand. So we will take an example. The example is LDA 4500H. That means here this is the address. This is this 4500. So this LDA 4500 means the content of location 4500 is given to accumulator. That means the data, the required data is in the location 4500. So we have to go to the memory location 4500 and that data is given to accumulator. Similarly, another example is HTL 4500. Here also the instruction contains the address. Here the content of accumulator is given to memory location 4500. Then we will go to register addressing mode. So next we will discuss the register addressing mode. So in case of register addressing mode, the instruction contains the register which contains the data. So register, so the example is move A B. Here the required data is in the register B. So the data may be in any of the general purpose register. The content of B is moved to the accumulator. So this is the example of register addressing mode. Then we will discuss the register indirect addressing mode. So in case of register indirect addressing mode, the data is given indirectly in the instruction. So let us take an example. So let us write LXI election ಅವರಿಗಿಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್